This is ELA, elementary, first grade, scripted lesson plan, concrete nouns, proper nouns. Objective, demonstrate command of the conventions of standard English language or grammar and usage when writing or speaking. In this lesson, students will be able to distinguish between nouns, concrete nouns, proper nouns, along with being able to distinguish proper nouns based on capitalization. Okay, we'll need smartboard, pencils, paper, iPad, worksheet. Okay, teachers will address the room, or teacher will address the room of students with smartboard behind the teacher. As you look around the room, name a few things that you see. Good. Everything you have just named are nouns. A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. Now, how do you know it is a noun? Good. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. There are three kinds of nouns we will learn about today. Concrete, common, proper. Concrete nouns are things you can touch. Proper nouns are nouns that have a capital that you have to capitalize. That names a specific noun. Common nouns are just a noun and can be a concrete noun also. An example of a concrete noun is a truck. You can touch a truck. An example of a proper noun is Ford. Ford is the name of the concrete noun, truck. Okay? Today we're going to learn the proper use of both concrete nouns and proper nouns. Demonstration, teacher will hold up an iPad. Can you tell me what this is? Yes, this is an iPad. Is this a concrete noun or a proper noun? The brand name of the iPad is Apple. Apple is the proper noun, and I can touch it, so it is a what? Concrete noun also. Teacher brings up a picture of a house and the White House on the smartboard. Now let's do another one. Which of these are a concrete noun and which is a proper noun? John, please come up and point to the proper noun, and Sally, come up and point to the common noun. Good. The proper noun is the picture of the President's White House, and the common was the picture of the normal house. Now, is either of these a concrete noun? Yes, both are correct. What would be a noun that was not concrete? Yes, good example. Brave, truth, worry, sleep, peace. All are good examples. Good job. What do we all call non-concrete nouns? And they're not concrete. Abstract nouns are the correct answer. We will talk about those another day. As we've learned, a concrete noun is something you can touch. We have also learned that a proper noun is a noun that has to be capitalized. I'm about to pass out a worksheet to you to complete. Please put in the blank the correct answer. I will read the directions after I pass out the worksheet, and we are going to do this worksheet together. As I read each question, I want you to put the correct answer in the blank. Teacher passes out worksheet and reads the directions to the student. Teacher then reads through the worksheet with students answering as she goes through the worksheet. Good. Now that we have completed the worksheet, please listen as I go over the answers. If you missed one, please erase it and change it to the correct answer. Teacher will go through the worksheet to check answers with students. Now, is there any questions, or does anyone need me to repeat an answer? Please put your worksheet up, and it will be a study aid for you later on. Independent practice. Teacher will now pull up 10 nouns on the smartboard. I have 10 nouns on the smartboard that I want you to focus on. Take each noun and label it as a person, place, thing, or idea. Then please label each noun as a proper or common noun. Remember, once again, a proper noun would, for example, Principal Rogers, and a common noun, for example, would be teacher. Okay? You will turn these in to me once you are finished. You may begin. Teacher will take these up to assess how much was retained from today's lesson. Alright, lesson review. Now pass your papers up so I can take them up. Please listen now as we review one more time as a class. A common noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Can a few students give me a few examples? Good job. A proper noun is a noun which is capitalized. Okay, can a few students give me some examples of those? Good. Good job. Are there any questions? We will have a short quiz on common and proper nouns tomorrow. Okay? There will be five of each nouns for you to identify common or proper. And then at the end you will need to write 2 common and 2 proper nouns that you come up with on your own. Also, out beside every answer, I want you to write if it's a concrete noun. Use the worksheets I gave you today as a study guide. Mr. Jonas, which is a proper noun, has enjoyed this lesson. I hope the students, which is a common noun, did also.